Howdy, folks. I'm Red. Welcome to Dove's Outdoors. Doing a little fishing this fine spring day. A little creek close to home. And we're trying out baits that Donald made. Yeah. And start off with a nice one. And I am using barbless hooks with it bent around just a little bit more to help hold the fish on. Also trying a new filter, polarized filter for my camera so you can actually see in the water and see some of the fish. Do have a little bit of breeze, so it does make a little ripple across the top. Makes it a little bit harder to see. But all in all, it's a nice day. So there are a few casts here, and these are just taking my time, enjoying the fishing. Seeing what'll bite. And you can see the fish come after it. Unfortunately, they chose not to hit it on that run. That's all part of the fun of fishing. And with this light tackle, these sunfish are fun to fight. And you can see some decent sized fish there in the water. Not bad for sunfish. And there are a couple of small largemouth bass in there that unfortunately don't seem to be biting today. But the little sunfish do seem to be the ones to catch anyway, so. Yeah, there's another one. Not a bad size either. Yeah, that was a bad cast, but hey, that happens. Fill it in and try it again. Yeah, you're going to work. Yep. Oh. Oh. He wasn't even on the hook. He was just biting the tail. Yeah, got another one on. Not a bad fish either. He wanted that one. He really wanted that one. Got another one. Oh, he's a nice one too. Very nice. I think that'll be the one I end this video with today. Get outdoors, have some fun, be safe, and we'll see you next time.